On 12th radiation treatment for breast cancer, this has helped the discomfort and itching from the rash that just popped out yesterday. I would describe it as looking like heat rash. Makes sense to use this pure product over drugstore junk. I bought Aquaphor Mist and it burns for 5 minutes after I apply. I have stage 3C melanoma. Treatment has left me with sores and wounds on my feet and hands. Fingertips were peeling and cracking. Lots of money wasted on products that didn't work and pain endured. This oil has helped so much. Healed cracks nothing else would. Excellent product. I bought this product, along with aloe vera and coconut oil, to use before, during and after radiation treatment. It has kept my skin in the best possible condition during this time. I have 6 more treatments to go with minimal redness, at this time. This calendula oil feels very pure and absorbs quickly on my facial skin. I have super sensitive skin and now make my own moisturizers and oil serums. I am happy to blend my formulas with this calendula oil. This is my first time trying calendula. I researched it after finding it was an ingredient in my deodorant and facial wipes. It has so many amazing properties and I am excited to see what it does for my skin. Very mild scent, absorbs slowly but isn't heavy. I didn't expect to particularly like this oil because of its price. Normally, lower-priced oils mean compromised or inferior quality, but I was really surprised at how much I appreciated this oil and found it effective for my condition. I had originally purchased it as a carryover until I could get the good stuff, handcrafted, organic, etc., but I ended up continuing to use it and not ordering something else to replace it. And I am still using it, and still love it. Especially with its base not being olive oil, what I have used in the past. Will definitely be ordering it again. I wanted to get something to calm my skin because it gets pretty red. After looking for a while I decided to try this. So far I love it. It has the typical essential oil stopper, so when you use it you don't accidentally pour half the bottle out. It isn't to think and absorbs well into the skin. I use a thin layer at night and spot apply in the morning before makeup. So far so good. Fantastic product. It absorbs easily, has the mild smell of marigold, calendula. Unlike other products, this is not drenched in olive oil, and actually feels as if I am applying the flower. It contains almond oil, but that odor isn't evident, so I suspect it has quite a bit of calendula flower. The cap has an inside drip plastic top, so there's no waste and you can dispense what you need. Great size for the price. Oil drips slowly, so depending on how much you need, it may be good or bad. Product has no scent, so you can mix with scented essential oils for lotion, etc. Click link in description for more reviews. Tell me the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Please subscribe today to my channel. Please check the description of this video. Thanks.